Hello, I'm Scott Blair, owner and co-founder of 2U Tire. I want to let everyone know who is in a service industry that 2U Tire is open and available to provide service on site or after hours at your location. No need to come in direct contact. We're right here on site taking care of a tire need for one of our fleet accounts right now on their job site. So they're staying productive, and on a skeleton crew, that's more important now than at any other time in our history. We're going to be able to mount and balance these tires, put them back on, and take care of the tire pressure system so that it's all functional and ready to roll as soon as they're done with this job and going to the next job. So if you're in the metropolitan Phoenix area or along the Alabama Gulf Coast, please log on to 2U Tire. That's the number 2, letter U, tire.com. Contact us through our website, and we will get in touch with you in a short period of time to be able to schedule service. We do have tires on hand, and we're getting deliveries every day. So we look forward to seeing you soon, taking care of whatever you need, and please be safe.